Hi, I'm Nicole, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an assignment and storyboard that. Starting from your teacher dashboard, one option you have before starting an assignment is to look over our pre-made lesson plans. This can be found right here. If you choose to start an assignment from scratch, you can click on Assignments. From there, simply click the Create Assignment button. Once you've named your assignment, you'll be taken to the Edit Assignment page. This is your command center. Here, you can add instructions, templates, examples. You can even build a custom rubric right here. For your templates and examples, you can pull from your own existing storyboards or create something brand new. Here are all the storyboards in my library. Or I could click here and it will take me to the creator to make something new. Before you go live, you have a few important settings. You can choose to hide the assignment from your students until you're ready for the big reveal. You can share it with other teachers in your school to help align your course objectives. Finally, you can also allow students to collaborate by checking this box here. This allows students to work on the same storyboard simultaneously. But make sure to tell your students that only one person in each group should start the assignment. That student will then hit the Collaborate button and invite their teammates. Once you're ready for your assignment to appear on your student's assignments page, just check the box next to the class you'd like to assign it to. It will immediately appear on your student's page, as long as the Hide button is not selected. If you use Google Classroom, a pop-up will appear and you can choose Share to Google Classroom. It will sync directly to their classroom feed as well. But here's where the magic happens. As soon as your students start creating, you can monitor their work in real time. This allows you to check for understanding, offer feedback on the fly, and see those storyboards come to life as they happen. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.